Hi students, myself Vimya KP, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Parashiraja College, Pulpalli. In this class, I discuss about basics of research. So the concepts include definition, features, significance, criteria and types of research. So come to definition. According to Robert Ross, research is essentially an investigation, a recording and analysis of evidence for the purpose of gaining knowledge. Features of research. Number 1, discovery of new knowledge. Number 2, essentially an investigation. Number 3, research related with solution of a problem. Number 4, it based on observation and experimentation. Number 5, research should be carefully recorded and reported. Number 6, it demands accuracy. Number 7, it is a systematic process. Next one, significance of research. Number 1, research provides basis for government policies. Number 2, research helps to solve the problems faced by the society. Number 3, research useful to philosophers, students, organizations and analysts. Number 4, research helps to solve operational problems in the organizations. So these are the significance of research. Next, what are the criteria of good research? It include number 1, systematic. Number 2, logical. Number 3, empirical. Number 4, verifiable. Number 5, using common concepts. And number 6 is the achieving objectives of research. So these are the various qualities of a research. Research should be a systematic. Why we call the research is systematic? That means there is a systematic procedure and process in research. And also it should be logical. Next one is empirical. Why we call it is an empirical? Because this is based on experimentation and observation, and it should be verifiable and using common problem faced by the society. And the last one, that means you have to achieving your objectives after conducting your research work. That is the main thing, that there is a connection between your objectives and conclusions. Next one is types of research. It includes applied research, basic research, correlational research, exploratory research, descriptive research, qualitative research, quantitative research, historical research, and the last one is empirical research. Come to first type of research, that is applied research. Applied research aims at finding solutions for an immediate problem facing a society or an industrial organization. It is empirical and practical. It is concerned with applied aspects of life. Second type of research, that is basic research. Main features includes, it is mainly concerned with a generalization, with the formulation of a theory. It aims at achievement of truth. It tries to explain cause and effect relationship in a social phenomena. It is concerned with the principles, laws and rules. It is also called a fundamental research. Next category of research, that is correlational research. Correlational research is a type of non-experimental research in which the researcher measures two variables and assesses the statistical relationship. So there is a relationship between two variables. So there is a correlation between them with a little or no effort to control extraneous variable. Next category of research is exploratory research. It is a preliminary research to clarify the exact nature of the problem to be solved. It is used to ensure additional research is taken into consideration during an experiment. It is called preliminary study of an unfamiliar problem. So this is called exploratory research. Next one is descriptive research. Is a type of research that describes a population, situation or phenomenon that is being studied. It focuses on answering how, what, when and where questions if a research problem rather than why. So descriptive research is used to describe the characteristics of a population or phenomenon being studied. So it is a fact-finding investigation. Next category is qualitative research. So qualitative research is defined as a market research method that focuses on obtaining data through open-ended and conversational communication. So this method is not only about what people think but also why they think so. So this is called a qualitative research. Next one is quantitative research. This is defined as a systematic investigation of a phenomena by gathering quantifiable data and performing statistical, mathematical or computational techniques. Next category is historical research. Is a qualitative technique. Historical research study the meaning of past events in an attempt to interpret the facts and explain the cause of events and their effect in the present events. Next type of research is empirical research. Is research using empirical evidence. It is also a way of gaining knowledge by means of direct and indirect observation or experience. So in this research, more than useful as kinds of other research, this evidence can be analyzed quantitatively and qualitatively. Thank you all.